monstrosity we're gonna take out of here today for the place that I pick up at. I'm gonna hopefully get these doors off. But what's cool is there's doors on the other side. So yeah, I'm gonna make it a little bit lighter. Hopefully taking these off. We're gonna find out. Well, we got her loaded on the big trailer with the winch. She's going straight to the scrapyard. All right, y'all have a good day now. Shoot, yeah. Door's catching on the bottom. Yep, there you go. I greatly appreciate it, Tony.